morning, Vietnam. Another beautiful day out today. Dodge Charger is in today for stars. Just stars, no suede, nothing else, just some stars. This is his interior. It's looking pretty splendid. Pretty splendid if you ask me. So he's gonna keep his black interior ready, and then he's gonna be getting 450 stars all around. Should be looking really nice, even on the sunroof. Not as much as, you know, most people get, but it is something. But yeah, guys, I'm about to be removing the headliner, taking everything out, and then getting started on it. So we got the headliner out now. It's here. About to be finishing it up. Pretty easy. 400 stars now, and then that's it. Our boys and Yen's making the cutouts now, or the squares for all the stars, and then should be putting them in. Just like that, we have the headliner done. So we're about to be installing inside the car. We have power all done. As you guys can see, that's how it's looking. All splattered out. what's going on. So this is gonna be an outro to the red charger. Completely forgot to record it, guys, so I'm just gonna show you guys what happened after we finished moving all the couches, got rid of the propane exchange tank, all that, got rid of it. And now this is how the shop is looking. So we have a couple things on it, but we got this table now instead, so we have a nice little conference table. So this is where we're gonna have all our meetings. Then we have our whiteboards up now, so we have one on this side, one on that side, so that's keeping track of everything. And then our display stands are on the wall mounts, so it's supposed to be one there, one here, so that's where that goes. And then the rest is pretty simple, as you guys know, but we did get the lockers, so I don't know if you guys seen, but we have lockers now. So now we can have all of our stuffs in here, extra storage. You know, we found it on FB for a nice little steal, couldn't say no. So that's how that's looking. Then we have a couple things organized here. That's how that is. It's looking overall very nice. And then we have some more of our things out here. And as always, we have our wall of everything here. So